I know the struggle of finding the perfect washing machine that won't break the bank. I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Let's dive into the top 5 best washing machines under $1,000 that offer incredible value without sacrificing quality. Product number 1, Mini Portable Washing Machine. I recently got my hands on the Mini Portable Washing Machine by SC Best Buy Go. And let me tell you, it's a game changer for anyone who's short on space or constantly on the go. Weighing just a few pounds and measuring 5.7 by 5.7 by 8.46 inches, this device is designed for those living in apartments, dorms, or even RVs. It's not just compact, it's also powerful, featuring a 4000 mAh battery that can handle quick laundry tasks anywhere you need. The experience was surprisingly smooth. I charged it up, filled it with water, keeping in mind the fill line, and chose the 5-minute quick wash mode for my delicate underwear. The machine's blue light sterilization feature is a standout, providing a hygienic clean without harsh chemicals. I loved being able to do laundry without the need for a bulky traditional washing machine. The mini washer is perfect for anyone who travels a lot or just needs a dedicated space for washing intimate items. Pros? It's incredibly portable, efficient, and easy to use. The high-speed washing is a plus, and I appreciated the gentle hand-scrubbing imitation that's perfect for delicate fabrics. The LED digital touchscreen is user-friendly, showing the remaining power and wash mode. Product number 2, 16-liter foldable portable washing machine from Minwatch, and it's as versatile as it sounds. This compact laundry solution is designed for those who need something lightweight yet functional. Weighing just 3.9 pounds, it's a breeze to carry around, making it a great companion for camping trips or dorm life. The experience was delightful. Setting it up was a no-brainer, no installation required. I just plugged it in, added water and detergent, and started washing. The 3 cleaning modes, 3, 5, and 10 minutes, gave me flexibility depending on the fabric and the dirt level. I used the 10-minute setting for a load of jeans, and they came out fresh and clean. The powerful motor does a great job of agitating the water, and I was impressed with how quiet it was, operating at just 45 decibels. Pros: the foldable design is a huge space saver, which I loved. It fits easily under my bed when I'm not using it. The whisper-quiet operation means I could do laundry at any time without disturbing my roommates. It's also very user-friendly, making it accessible for all ages. Product number 3, Costway Twin Tub Portable Washing Machine. The Costway Portable Washing Machine is another great option, boasting a twin tub system with a total capacity of 26 pounds. This means you can wash and spin dry at the same time, which can save you a lot of time and hassle. The dimensions are 16 by 27.5 by 32 inches, making it compact enough for small spaces, but powerful enough to handle larger loads. Using the Costway machine was straightforward. I loaded the washer tub with 18 pounds of clothes and used the spinner for 8 pounds simultaneously. It was amazing how efficiently it worked. The transparent lid allowed me to keep an eye on the washing process, and the powerful motor made quick work of my laundry. I especially appreciated the adjustable timer settings for both washing and spinning, which lets you customize the wash based on fabric type. Pros: the dual function of washing and spinning saves me a lot of time. It's also quite powerful, ensuring that I don't have to deal with lingering dirt. The compact design makes it perfect for apartments, and the built-in drain pump is a convenience I didn't know I needed. Product number 4, Mini Laundry Machine 16L. I also tested the Mini Laundry Machine 16L from YMXA, which is designed specifically for delicate items like baby clothes, underwear, and socks. It's compact, measuring just 8 times 13 times 13 inches, but it packs a punch with a 16L capacity. The experience was quite unique. I loved the idea of having a dedicated space for washing delicate garments. The machine operates quietly, which is a big plus for me, especially since I have a small apartment. I filled it with just a few items for a cycle, and the results were impressive. Everything came out clean and fresh without any damage. It's energy and water efficient, which is a huge benefit for those conscious about resources. Pros: the exclusive cleaning for delicate garments is fantastic, and it's perfect for anyone who has babies or sensitive fabrics. The energy-saving feature helps cut costs, and the quiet operation means you can run it at any time. Cons: its small size can be limiting if you need to wash larger items or multiple garments at once. Product number 5, Giantex Portable Washing Machine. Lastly, I gave the Giantex Portable Washing Machine a spin. With a capacity of 20 pounds, it's another twin tub design that offers both washing and spinning functions. This machine is compact yet powerful, making it perfect for apartments, RVs, or dorms. My experience with the Giantex was quite satisfying. It's straightforward to operate, which is a relief for someone like me who's not very tech savvy. I loaded it up with clothes and set the timer, and it did the rest without any fuss. The maximum washing time is 15 minutes, while the spin time is 5 minutes, which I found to be very efficient for my needs. The machine is lightweight, making it easy to move from one place to another, which is a significant advantage. Its large capacity allows for a decent amount of laundry per load, and the dual tub feature saves time. The filter net is a useful addition for avoiding lint issues, and the compact nature means it can be stowed away easily. As with many portable washing machines, it may not be suitable for heavy-duty washing needs, and you might need to spin twice for larger loads. In conclusion, whether you're in a tight space or just need a portable solution for your laundry needs, these washing machines under $1,000 offer fantastic features and value. I highly recommend checking them out based on your specific requirements. Happy Laundry Day!